Hello viewers, I am Wasim Raza from Italy. Why Chief Justice of Pakistan Gulzar Ahmed today was forced to remark, "Shame on you, Sindh government." Mixed reaction has been observed on the remarks from the different walks of life and the stakeholders of the country. Let's cast a glance on the remarks of the Chief Justice. The Chief Justice said that Sindh is the second largest province in the country according to the population, but it is shambles right now. Karachi has been turned into a garbage can. All the buildings here are illegal. The stormwater drain overflow at a single drop of rain. The roads are in trouble conditions and there is no greenery at all. Go look at other provinces, learn something from them. You are punishing the people of Karachi. Shame on the Sindh government. The Supreme Court came down on the Sindh government Wednesday morning, 22 September 2021, over delays in the compensation for the people who lost their homes through forced eviction at the Orangi and Gujjar nullahs. At a hearing in the top court's Karachi registry, the judge asked the Sindh Attorney General for updates on the land being compensated for over 6,000 effects. On the remarks of the Chief Justice, the Attorney General argued the Sindh government has a shortage of funds and is facing financial constraints. The Justice retorted that the government has money to pay salaries and buy cars, but when it comes to compensating poor people, the pockets go empty. Are cities run this way? Is this your system? The court has instructed Sindh CM Murad Ali Shah to resettle the victims within a year and summon a report on it. You don't come into politics to fight, but to serve the people. Justice Ahmed concluded. Majority of the people have appreciated the remarks of the Chief Justice, but there has been no reaction recorded from the People's Party or the Sindh government. This is not the first time that the top court has reacted on the performance of the Sindh government. Let's see how Sindh government act upon on the remarks this time. Take care. Till next.